Hello everyone, I'm Zach and you're watching Downtown Vibes. Right now we're in Camden, London Irish Centre for the London Somali Youth 2012. We're going to be going in a bit, see what's happening today in the centre.
My name is Mohammed Ibrahim. I'm the nominated chair for London Somali Youth Forum. Our main focus today is to give young people advice about unemployment and also give them the available opportunities that are available in regards to apprenticeships.
I'm here mainly to find some work, and like if I can find some part-time work, or if they can help me find work in the future or right now, just like to get myself straight and like to sort myself out. Like a lot of us are out of work, we can't find work, so like coming here and finding out what works are available is like really helping us to develop and find the works that we need.
London Somali Youth Forum is an organisation that is driven by the youth and is for the youth. And part of that message is here today. Our main focus is unemployment, tackling underachievement in schools, and also tackling crime and antisocial behaviour, as well as creating role models for our people. I went through interviews that I didn't do well, but I learned from them. Seek feedback. It's very important that you speak to employers and seek feedback and then plan from there. Also, those of you who are trying to engage in university or apprenticeships, please, your young people, I understand maybe you don't know what you want today, but it's very important that you have clear goals at early stage. And thank you all for coming here. What I can say is that there is a lot of hope out there, although the economic condition is not great. But what is important is the future is you, and Lsyf will be behind you.
There's different organisations here, and then we're just going to different places, finding out about what jobs they offer and what opportunities are there for us to talk to them and stuff.
So today, this event is all about fulfilling that particular mandate. And at the moment, we've, as you can see, invited a lot of organisations to come here, and they've been given solid advice and also showing them the opportunities available for young people.
I think it would be helpful you get more event or more organisation like this, bit more like twice a monthly, weekly or something.
Yeah, definitely, because right now I didn't know half of these stuff existed until today. So if we're getting this like every 2 months or every month, every time, once in a while, yeah, if we were getting some of these, it would be great. So,
but we wanted to do a bigger one where we got young people from all across London. So we're asking for their feedback in terms of what employers, what apprenticeship providers do they want to see.
Inshallah, our plan on the 30th of March and 31st of March, we are at the UCL University. We're working with a group called Worldwide Somali Students, who are, mashallah, very active in the development of our people, and we're working in partnership with them to actually deliver a guidance or even advisory, a particular conference regarding unemployment, and especially those young people who are graduating in universities who need better guidance. We want to get the professionals to come in and give them an understanding of how difficult the market is and how they got there. So we want to have a day where we focus on employment and career advice, and that's an advice-driven day, and it's at the UCL University from 2 to 6 at London University in London, and inshallah, everyone should take part.
So what are you doing here if you're still in college?
But basically, I wanted to find out about jobs that I can do, part-time job or summertime jobs, something like that.
All right. So do you find any things that been helping you to do, find a job and stuff?
At the moment, all I find out is about voluntary or like full-time, nothing else, no part-time yet.
Our main website is www.lsyf.org.uk. Most of our events are on there on our calendar, and you know we've done a lot of work this year, but we also got at least three events to come. So please look out for our website and read about our mandate and our vision for change.